How to set up Instagram shopping with Shopify easy and fast. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to set up Instagram shopping with Shopify. So let's get into it. First, you're going to open up your Shopify store and you will get right here. You can see this is my Shopify admin. To connect your Instagram shopping to your Shopify, you have to click on Add App option right here. Scroll down and click Shopify App Store. It will take you to Shopify apps. Now you have to search for Instagram. Once you search for Instagram shop, you will get a lot of different options to add Instagram shopping to your Shopify. You can go with this one right here, which is Instagram shop and Facebook shop. It has a free plan available. Click on Add App, click on Install. Now click on Connect Social Accounts. This is where you will connect your Instagram account to your Shopify. Keep in mind, you should have a business account on Instagram. Any account where you are selling your products currently, you will connect that account to your Shopify and you will be able to use your Instagram shopping with your Shopify and sell your products. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.